Sitaram everyone and thank you. Griha Pravesh. The points cover the purpose of the worship, the preparations, and the main steps of the ritual. Griha Pravesh housewarming ceremony, key guidelines. 1. Pre-preparation and the importance of an auspicious muhurta time. Selection of auspicious muhurta. Determine the auspicious date, day, and constellation based on the host's Yajman's Rashi, zodiac sign, and nakshatra, lunar mansion. Months like Magha, Falguna, Vashakha, and Jeshtha are generally considered favorable. Avoid performing the entry during periods like Chaturmas, 4 holy months, Kharmas, and Shraddha Paksha, ancestral fortnight. Days like Tuesday, Saturday, and Sunday are generally avoided for Griha Pravesh. House preparation. The house construction should be completely finished: doors, windows, roof, etc. Perform a thorough cleaning and purification of the entire house before the puja worship by sprinkling Ganga Jal, Ganga's water, Gomutra, cow urine, and salt water. Decorate the house, especially the main entrance, with torans, door hangings of Ashoka or mango leaves, Rangoli, and lamps dayas. Bay. Worship of the main entrance. Ganesh Pujan worship: draw auspicious symbols like swastika and the feet of goddess Lakshmi on the main entrance. Kalas Sthapan pot placement: prepare a copper or silver kalas pot filled with water Ganga Jal, adorned with mango leaves, and topped with a coconut. Draw a swastika on the kalas. Griha Pravesh entry: the host, husband and wife should carry the Mangal kalas and enter the house by placing their right foot forward. Tran. Puja ritual and Havan sacrificial fire. Ganapati Pujan. Begin the ceremony with the worship of Sri Ganesha, the first worshipped deity, for the removal of all obstacles. Kitchen worship. First, enter the kitchen and establish and worship the water pot or tap and the gas stove chulha haath. On the first day, boil milk until it overflows, symbolizing abundance, and prepare a sweet dish like kheer or shiro. Offer this to the deities, which symbolizes wealth, grains, and prosperity in the home. Navagraha Shanti and Vastu Puja. Perform Navagraha Pujan worship of the 9 planets to pacify the planets and bring positivity. Worship the Vastu Purusha, deity of the dwelling, to remove Vastu doshas, architectural faults, and receive the blessings of the Vastu deity. Havan Yajnat sacrificial fire. Havan is the most important part of the Griha Pravesh ceremony. The Havan purifies the atmosphere and removes negative energies. Offer oblations ahuti with ghee, clarified butter, samid, wood sticks, and other Havan materials while chanting sacred mantras. 4. Conclusion and blessings. Purnahuti. After the completion of the Havan, offer the fruits of the worship to God. Prasad Vitaran distribution. Distribute the consecrated prasad, food offering, to family.